Hi guys, welcome to Oliveboard's YT channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the strategy for your remaining 15 days. What are you going to do for SBI PO pre? Now the first question will be, ma'am, why 15 days, right? As you can see here, December we are going to start with the last 2 days remaining November. I am considering 15 days because 1 day or 2 days before the exam, you will not be able to cover a lot, right? So let's take 15 days strategy. 17th if your exam is there, right? What you can do in these 15 days for SBI PO pre for English section. Sorry. So I'm going to talk about English strategy for the next 15 days, right? First thing, before I start, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, if you look at the number of questions asked, 30 questions that are there for your prelims exam, and you get 20 minutes duration or 20 minutes time to solve these questions, right? 30 questions. Now, the best part about my section or English section is, as you have seen in the recent papers, people were able to attempt a lot, like 25 plus easily. So you can consider this as a very scoring section. The other thing is, the best part that I was talking about is there are so many questions in the section that are not going to eat up your time, that are very quick, you can solve very quickly, that are easy to solve. Okay, if they are giving you 20 minutes, I think it is more than enough, because you have a list of questions which I will tell you also right now, wherein you will take few seconds and you will be able to answer. Right, so time is not an issue, unlike in other sections where you are solving, you take time to solve. There is a method particularly. Here, if you're prepared in English, average preparation or above, you can do a great you can say attempts in the exam, right? You can do that. Now 30 questions are there. What should be your approach for the 15 days? Please don't stop your regular reading. So first approach which I want to talk about is your reading hours. This should be continued till your exam, and I will not say till your pre-exam, till your mains exam. Every day, without any excuse, 1.5 hours to 2 hours, whatever you are giving. I give 3 editorials every day to you. Okay, I give you the names of the 3 editorials that you have to read every day. On my Telegram I post it. You have to continue with it, because I will tell you the reason. Few days before the exam, 10 days, 15 days, 2 weeks before the exam, you just concentrate on mocks, which is good, but you stop reading. But you will notice the change after 1 week of not reading on a regular basis. After 1 week of not reading, you will understand that your confidence dips a little. Okay, it comes down a little, your understanding level. The confidence that this reading regularly gives you in the English section completely is different. And you will notice this. You can try and do it. Do not read for 4 days, you will understand. Okay, and the people who are reading regularly will definitely say yes to this point. This is a fact. Your confidence comes down. Now, one thing, I have written reading and vocabulary together, as you can see. Vocabulary is a big issue with many people because words are limited. You know that your, of course, there is no fixed syllabus for vocabulary. How to combine these two? Through reading, how to work on your word power also. So whatever you are reading, suppose 3 editorials. From these 3 editorials, how many new words you can get? Minimum, I am saying minimum 30 new words. Okay, new are words which are, guys, you can say frequently used editorial words, newspaper words, minimum. And on a regular basis, if you do this 3 editorials, you will see words are repeated also. So every day, if you're doing these many words, that is good enough. You don't have to do separately anything for vocabulary. I have already shared a basic vocab PDF on my Telegram channel. That plus regular reading words, that are enough, okay, for your exam, for your SBI PO pre-exam. Don't worry too much about that vocab part. Now, my Telegram channel for new students, at least I should tell them, it is Harshita Khurana, the grammar girl. Harshita Khurana, the grammar girl. So on my channel, on my group, you will find the PDF of basic of vocab also. Do that, plus whatever you are doing through editorial. So combine the two. Don't create separate, you can say, tension, or don't take separate stress for vocab. Combine the two. When you are reading, you are giving 1 hour time or 1.5 hours time daily. In that duration also, thoroughly read your article. Every new word that you get, search the meaning, see the context, how it is used. Okay, that is basically you're preparing not only you're not just working on your understanding skills, you're also preparing your vocab okay, with editorial reading. So this combined you have to do. Then coming to grammar, I feel now this is pre-exam. So grammar related error questions, because they are increasing the weightage. Recently we have seen in the exams, instead of 5 questions, they are asking 10 questions also from grammar, like 5 phrase replacement, 5 sentence improvement, 5 error spotting. So weightage has increased, okay. So recently weightage has increased. I don't want you to take any risk in this topic. Weightage has increased a lot. So for grammar, do revise the videos. If you have not watched my grammar videos, do that. Revise the videos given in paid courses, okay. So grammar videos all are given in the paid courses, do that. And then miscellaneous practice. Even if you do 5 to 10 error questions per day, just 5 to 10 error questions per day, hardly it will take 15 minutes of your time, okay, you will get the confidence in grammar. Because I always say videos are just for concepts, to understand the concepts, not to mug up, not to learn thoroughly, just understanding the concepts. Then through questions you have to remember the rules, okay. The more questions you do, the more practice you do, you will automatically remember. And don't worry about error spotting, because I will be taking lots of error spotting questions in my batch also in my 5 PM free YT sessions. So this will be covered, okay. But once you do the rules, then you are free. If you have not done the rule videos, if you have not watched my grammar concept videos, take 1 week time and finish those videos, okay. 1-2 chapters daily if you will watch, 12-13 rules average for each chapter, you can easily understand also. I've made it very easy, okay, for you. And we have also noticed in grammar sometimes the logics are very basic. Recent papers, when people came and gave feedback, they said, ma'am, it was easily identifiable. After reading the sentence, we knew, okay, this is the error, this is wrong. So why lose marks there? Okay, this is a question type, I will say grammar, error spotting or phrase replacement that you get. Scoring, it is a scoring type, okay, people will score here from this part. Now, again, preparation, approach and practice. So first, approach. In approach, I will talk about concepts. Finish the concept videos in a week, okay. Then go to practice questions, from where you have to practice is, okay. Topic test, complete the topic test first. Every topic you do or you go through the approach, do the topic test. Then, okay, live sessions, live classes, okay, whatever practice we are doing, live classes. You know, maximum, I will say, maximum of your learning before exams, 20 days before or whatever, 1 month before exams happens through live classes. The more you participate in live classes, the more you know your level, your scores, your, you can say, knowledge about the section or a particular question, the more variety you will come to know. For example, everyday classes that I take on YouTube, Oliveboard YouTube 5 PM live classes, I do the poll session. It is like a quiz for you. It is speed also. You are developing your speed also. You are coming to know whether you are able to answer correctly or not. And you also know how many others are able to do that answer correctly, mark that answer correctly. So you know. So it is live classes which will give you the maximum learning. So concentrate here majorly. Okay. Other than that, you have mocks to solve. You will target all your mocks. You have to complete all the pre-level mocks. Do that. Now, some people take 1 source, 2 sources, whatever. Regarding, like, considering the time limit or time you have, you do mocks also. And this is what it has to be, nothing more. Don't keep 20 sources, 10 books in front of you that I want to complete this before exam. No. Whatever your goal is, you write it down on a piece of paper that these are the 5 sources I will go and do for my exam for SBI PO Pre. Maybe, for example, I'll give you a sample of a student who has prepared this. Now, sample for a student. So, for example, 1, complete OB mocks for SBI PO Pre. This will be my first goal. Okay. Watch live classes of SBI PO Pre batch. Okay. So classes are starting, PO Pre batch. Every class I'll watch live. I will participate and learn maximum. Third goal is, okay, grammar is my weak topic. So I will do topic test for grammar. Not required that you do all, but even if you feel that 1 or 2 topics require extra attention, do that. Reading, I'll give 1.5 hours, or I'll do 3 editorials daily, 3 articles daily. Okay, and my last source for preparation will be maybe previous year memory based papers, previous year papers, and 5 PM YT class plus YT class. 5 PM class. बन गया आपका goal. So if this goal is written, you are not actually in trouble, or you are not in confusion. You know, anything new comes up, you are like picking up one book like this. You pick up one book, then you are reading. Somebody, your friend, calls you and says that, okay, I'm doing this topic because it is important. You put this book down, you put another book, you start reading the same topic which your friend is reading. No, you don't need that. Just fixed goal like this, 5 goals or 5 points I've written, and stick to this. Now this could be different for everybody, but stick to your goals, stick to the limited sources you have. Quality over quantity is always important. We have seen it in the exams also, right? Chalo, next. Scoring topics, very important. What are your scoring topics, guys? If I say about SBI PO Pre, do not miss these topics. They are less, they will take less time. Okay, they are not at all time consuming. Okay, they are not going to take a lot of time. Also, they are low risk. Low risk means you can mark with accuracy. High accuracy can be achieved here. There is not a risky factor if you mark these questions. Low risk questions, less time consuming questions, high accuracy questions. Word swap. Then you have for pre-level, match the column. Okay, match the column. Word swap. Single sentence arrangement. Hardly it will take any time. You can give 100% correct answer. Single sentence arrangement. Okay. Then you also have basic error questions if you get single line error questions, error spotting. Okay. Then you also have direct questions of RC. Now if you have 10 questions of RC, at least 3-4 will be direct questions. So RC, direct questions minimum you will be able to answer. Okay, so these are scoring. These are scoring topics. Here you can't lose marks. Okay, they are less time consuming, less risky, will give you more accuracy. Okay, so this is what you have to follow. Now, 15 days, keep in mind, and we are starting with a batch tomorrow, Kranti batch for SBI PO, prelims plus mains. Remember, this batch will include everything. Mains is also written. So after your prelims exam is over, we will talk about mains. You will get mains classes also. The best part about this batch is you will get descriptive also. In Kranti batch, after your mains exam, we will get descriptive also. So you can use my code, which is HAR SHITA, Harshita, which is my name, Harshita code. You will get more than 40% off in this batch. Kranti batch is starting tomorrow. Join now. Like I said, maximum learning will come from the batch itself, live classes itself. Okay, you don't have to go anywhere. So join now. Okay. Any other queries regarding your approach, where you are getting stuck, regarding your confidence for SBI PO preparation, anything, you ask me in the comments below, or you can directly message me on Telegram. Thank you, guys.